everyone, welcome to Health Fit Nutrition. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about some different ways in which we can incorporate flax seeds in our daily diet. So flax seeds are one of the richest sources of omega-3, which is plant-based. Flax seeds are a very good source of protein, low in starch, it is gluten-free, and it contains lignin, which is a phytoestrogen. Now what is the function of phytoestrogen? It balances hormones in our body. So if you have estrogen levels on the higher side in your body, that especially happens during menopause, so it is going to bring down the high estrogen levels in your body. Similarly, if you have lower levels of estrogen in your body, so it balances the estrogen levels and brings it back to normal. So whether lower or higher, it is going to work both ways in your body. Now let us talk about the different ways in which we can add flax seeds in our diet. So the first point that you have to keep in mind is that do not buy a very large quantity of flax seeds, because it is going to turn rancid because of the oil present in it. It might oxidize. So buy around 100 to 200 grams and then store that seeds in the airtight container. Next, whenever you want to consume it, so you have to grind a very small amount of flax seeds, which is about 50 to 100 grams depending upon the number of family members. So if there are 5 family members, around 50 grams of flax seeds you can grind, freshly grounded flax seeds, and then you can incorporate it in any way that I'm going to talk about right now. So the first thing is, take a very small amount in a mixer jar, grind it into a powder, but before you make it a powder, first you have to roast the dry flax seeds, because when you roast the flax seeds, it is going to puff up and it is going to taste even better. So make sure to enhance the acceptability, you are first roasting the seeds in a pan or in a tawa, then you are grinding it into a powder. Now once the seeds are powdered, now how you can incorporate it? So the first way is, the best time to have it is on an empty stomach. So in the morning, take 1 glass of water and add 2 teaspoons of the ground flax seeds to the glass of water. Stir it very well so that it dissolves completely, and the benefit of grinding the flax seeds is that the lignin present in the flax seeds become easily available in our body. Early morning, if you have 1 glass of water with the grounded flax seeds, it detoxifies your body, it cleanses your intestine, and it also helps improves your metabolism. So this is one way for those who do not like the direct taste of the flax seeds. So you can also consume it indirectly. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, you can have this with lunch, and add 2 teaspoons of the powdered ground flax seeds. If you want, you can add other spices for taste, like you can add some mint, or you can also add turmeric, or you can also add lemon juice if you are making raita. You can also add pepper to it. Now a third method for those who don't even want to consume it in curd, the best way is for the smoothie lovers. You can have smoothies in the evening or in the morning time. The only thing you need to do is add on your favorite fruits, add milk or add curd if you want to make it the base with curd, and then add 2 teaspoons of flax seeds which you have kept roasted. And friends, always remember, do not stock it in very large quantity, because again I want to mention, flax seeds contain oils which get rancid when in contact with air, and they might get oxidized, and the benefits, you may lose the benefits of flax seeds. So always purchase not more than 200 grams and grind not more than 50 grams or 100 grams as per your requirement, and also make sure that you are consuming the grounded flax seeds within 30 minutes. Once you grind them, consume within 30 minutes, always make sure. So these are the few methods in which you can incorporate flax seeds. They have a lot of benefits. They are also beneficial for diabetic patients. They help control uric acid, and also they help you control cholesterol. And yes, flax seeds are very famous these days because of the weight loss properties in them, because of the high fiber content and also the good amount of antioxidant present in the flax seeds. So I hope this video was useful, and guys, if you have any other way in which you incorporate flax seeds in your diet, so please let me know in the comments so that others can also see, because sharing is